and this length here is 1510. It's a meter 510. The mauri toe is 755 millimeters, and the 1/8 section of the arero is around 18875. Okay, and I've got those measurements from the Taiaha that I've already blocked out here. That comes up to my chin here, and as I've mentioned before, it's very important to find out what your length is and the type of piunga you want to be trying to achieve while you're doing any type of rākau work. So here I'm just going to turn you around down to the table, and I'm just going to show you kind of a simple way of stenciling out or gauging for yourself the measurement points of your rākau. It's just tick paper. Some people prefer to use kind of like a hard cardboard or a PDF kind of wood, but I just use a tick paper. Centre line is important all the time. In fact, your centre line is going to be the one thing that will never change throughout the whole process until the very end. So this is an ideal time to kind of gauge for yourself. Okay, so is my arero going to be 1/8 of the size, or shall I change it? This is a good time for you to gauge. Is the length actually practical for me? I go outside with another stick around the same length, have a piunga, come back inside. You might want to alter the measurements just a bit. Again, that's if you're carving the rākau yourself. If you're offering these sorts of measurements to kaiwhakairo, he'll eat it up for breakfast. That's just normal things for them.